Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to go to roblox.com. Once you enter here, you have to go to Avatar. In Avatar you have to go to Head and Body and go to Hair. Now you can see right now one hair is only selected. To select multiple hair, if I trying to select multiple hair, it will automatically unselect the previous one. So how can I select the multiple one? So guys, there is two way. One way is to use the advanced option. So what you need to do if you want to wear this hair, like suppose this hair, so right click on it and copy the link of the hair. Once you copy the link of the hair, just open a new tab and paste it here. And now you just need to and copy the link of the item. So let's do that. So once you copy, open a Roblox page and open an advanced link and paste it here, and just click on save and click on again save, and it says that what it says that and just save it. So now this option is not working. Earlier it was working. So you can try one more thing. You just need to open a new tab and search for BT Roblox. And just enable this option, guys. Just add this extension to your browser. Click on add extensions. Once it is added, just make sure it is enabled in the background. Now just refresh your page. Now you can see the left menu has been updated with new options. Don't just ignore them and go to Head and Body again and go to Hairs. So now you can see that I can select as many as hair I want. Fine. So this is the ultimatum way to do that, because it works in at any condition. So you can do, or it is not. There is no violation on using this extension, because it won't change your account completely, or it won't manipulate. But this extension enable you to select multiple things at the same time. So you can do this with your accessories, hairs, anything. Fine. So hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.